Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I am turning myself into Little Kim from the Crush on You music video for Halloween. You guys know it's the one where she's got like 4 different color stories: red, blue, yellow, green. Guess which one I'm going with today. Like, this was meant for me, okay? An all green Little Kim inspired look was meant for me, and I've got help for today's video because today's video is sponsored by e.l.f. Because who doesn't want one, an easy Halloween look, but two, an affordable Halloween look. So let's get into this. So I prime my eyes, so I'm just throwing on some of the Ride or Die lip balm, and while I do that, I'm gonna throw up a picture of what it is I'm recreating, you know, maybe for the youngins who don't know what I'm talking about, but this is the look that I'm going for in today's video. I'm gonna jump into the Jalapeño Bite Size palette from them. Remember the first time that I used this, y'all? The pigment. Okay, but this is legit like the perfect eyeshadow palette for this look because she's got a pretty green eye, but there's a little gold reflex into it. So I'm gonna jump in with the green matte shades. Okay, so I've taken the lighter green, and instead of the, I guess, curve that I would usually do, I'm keep it more of like a V out here because the darker green is more out here, and then the rest of her lid is a lighter shimmer shade. You can see that, right? I always block the camera from actually seeing what I'm doing. And then the darker green right on top just to darken it up. Now for the lid shade, it's like a reflective type of, depending on the lighting, it could look a little green to you, it could look a little gold. So I'm gonna take both the gold shimmer shade and the green shimmer shade, do like a light layer of each on top of each other. So I'm gonna start with the green shimmer first. Okay, so a light layer of green first. And actually this green already kind of has a gold reflex to it. And then just little teeny tiny taps of the gold shade on top of the green. And it would legit be that easy to do your eyeshadow if you're getting dressed for someone's Zoom Halloween party. And the best thing about, like, look how pigmented that was. You know, you're swiping, doing all that. There's no fallout to clean up afterwards. So I'm gonna jump into a primer. I'm gonna use the Putty primer. Now y'all know today's face is gonna be that late 90s, early 2000s aesthetic that I do quite a bit. Listen. For concealer, I'm using the Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And then the foundation in the shade Sienna. You know, up until recently, it's always been very like there's only room for one when it comes to women in rap, and growing up for me, like that was Lil' Kim, because Pink Friday didn't come out until, so I was in high school. No, I think almost like, when did Pink Friday come out? Yeah, that didn't come out until 2010, which means I was like a sophomore, junior in high school, and of course, like ever since then, it's been Nicki. So I think it's cool that, like, you know, coming generations will get this idea of there's room for more than one, you know, like we can all eat type of thing. To set my face, I'm gonna use the HD powder. You know, it's the late 90s, early 2000s, so we can be a little bit more matte today. They also have a different type of bite-size compact. This is a highlighter blush duo. Listen, this color blush, my skin tone, listen. And it's perfect for this look because, again, the focus is pretty much her eyes and lips, being that, you know, they've got the green theme going on. And then to set the Stay All Night Microfine setting, okay, you can't stay all night if you're being that loud, okay? And I like to give myself just a little, you know, just a little dot of a deeper powder on my face. Now for the lips, y'all know we love us a good 90s lip over here. Listen, I was meant for this, okay? I was meant for this video, and what's meant for me, no one can take away. But I'm gonna use these 2 shades from their glosses because her lip is glossy in the shade Moody and Love Bite. Just a little bit. Actually, I'm just gonna use Moody and move on to getting that green reflex in my lips by using the green shimmer from the Jalapeño eyeshadow palette, just a little bit, because remember she pigmented, and then just kind of dot it on. So there's only one thing left, and that is the hair. Even that is affordable. I am excited. I will be right back. When I tell y'all all the way here for this, okay, my spirit's been lifted after doing this look. I want to go do the other three. Let me know if you guys want to see those as well. But as far as this one goes, super easy to do. If I was not filming this, legit would have taken 15 minutes tops to do all of this, and affordable hair, affordable top, and thanks to e.l.f, affordable makeup. So all of that will be linked down below. Make sure you go check that out. I hope I gave you guys like a hint and idea of something easy and fun you could do if you are dressing up for this season, or if you just, you know, wanted to see me turn myself into this little Kim look. I'm not taking this off anytime soon today. I'm gonna have to take it off eventually, but I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day, okay? You gonna see me in this look. But that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.